Here we want to find the zeros of our problem. To find your zeros, you want to set it equal to 0, and then you want to solve it. Well, as you look here, we could go ahead and pull out your greatest common factor. You'll notice before the plus and after the plus, you have an e to the x, e to the negative x, but you also have an x to the first power you could pull out. So you pull out your greatest common factor, and it leaves you with this. You now have three things multiplied together to give you 0. The only way to get 0 when you're multiplying is if one of those three is 0. So you set the first thing equal to 0. You set the second one equal to 0. And then you set the last one equal to 0. You should remember from what we talked about before that e to any power is always positive. So will e to any power ever be 0? And the answer is no. Well, we also have x equaling 0. That's already solved. Then we need to go ahead and solve this over here. So we get x by itself, divide by the negative, and we get x to be 2. So our two zeros here are our 0 and our 2.